Hey guys, welcome to Define Agile. This is Anatoly. In this channel, we're talking everything agile tools. And today we're going to take a use case. You added time to your story, and then at some point you made a mistake. Is it even possible to edit your time? Well, skipping ahead a little bit, it is definitely possible. I'm going to show you how, but before we do, I want to tell you a couple things that might help you. Thing number one, if you guys want to learn JIRA really quickly in about 8 hours, you can go in the description, get my course. It's very affordable. It will get you from beginner to advanced. If you are completely stuck and you need help of JIRA professionals, please go to the first comment, click on the link, and add yourself to one of our calendars. Either me or my amazing agile coaches and JIRA administrator will help you with your issues. It's an hourly basis, so you can get as many hours as you want. Finally, if you are a company that want to go for agile transformation or need JIRA setup or something complex, please go defineagile.com, contact us, and let's talk how we can help you. Now, let's talk about this particular issue. So, let's say I have a story, JIRA tutorial, sprint report, and I'm going and I'm adding time. So time tracking, to track time, I'm sure you know that because you're watching this video how to edit it, but I'm logging some time. I'm saying, okay, I spent 5 hours on this and remaining time, let's say, is 10 hours. Save. Oh my God, I didn't spend 5 hours. I just made a mistake. That was a different story. What should I do? Can I even edit this 5 hours? I'm so confused. I'm not sure. Well, good news is you can. To do that, you click on the work log. Then you click on edit, and then you can change this to 3 hours. I made a huge mistake. Tracking time. Save. Oh, look, it's 3 hours now, not 5. Definitely possible to do that, so don't worry about it. One caveat, if you don't see that, somebody can restrict you doing that. So there's a permissions, your administrator can go and make sure you cannot do it. You can also, by default, if you're not administrator, do it only for yourself. If you don't see the edit button, probably you don't have permissions. Talk to your administrator. They might be able to change that. Hope it makes sense, guys. It was quick and easy. Please, if you like it, click like, click subscribe, turn on notifications, because we are bringing you this year so many more of those videos. I'm going to teach you to be a JIRA Pro this year. So please follow us, subscribe. If you want to know more about it, have any questions, put them in the comments down below. I'm always happy to hear from you. I try to answer to as many comments as I can. Thank you for watching. Talk to you next one. Bye-bye.